Keep fighting it, man. It's not gonna leave anytime soon. Sir, there's more of them. Oh no. This is AceTube Mobile, and today if you couldn't tell earlier, we're something to do about bootlegs. If you can already tell just by looking at this picture, this is a bootleg off of World of Warships. Battle of Warships is literally the exact same thing, maybe even just as good, and it doesn't make sense why they still have to copy everything. I think he's had enough. He can talk now. Did you copy anything else on the game? I won't tell you anything, scumbag. Well, looks like you're gonna be taking it the hard way. Well, what you just said earlier, tell that to Mr. Snubblenose. No, don't touch Mr. Snubblenose. Okay, I talk. I kind of copied a little bits of the gameplay too. You know what you've just done? We gotta check that out right away. When we checked, not only did you mess with the gameplay, you did the exact same thing to the battle play thingamabob. You're in for a big treat, buddy. Let's see how this battle gameplay works out and see how similar it's gonna probably look. Battle of Warships, the copy. Okay. Alright, let's get to it. Well, just looking at the controls, it looks pretty similar. I mean, it doesn't look super similar, surprisingly, but you know, it looks decently similar. You still got enemies and all that good stuff, so you know, let's see how maybe good and fun this game is. Was that an aircraft carrier? No way. Like, well, I'm guessing maybe that there's a chance that this game's not bad. So why don't we play and see what it's like? Oh shoot, gotta dodge these things, man. As I'm getting hit. Okay, this is not gonna end up well. Not for me, not for anyone. Oh my god. Now I know what it feels like to be on those big boy ships. Hurry up, reload, stupid. Sorry. Excuse the language. Better hit him. I better hit him. Yeah, I bet if I just do this, I'll look even narrower, so it's harder for him to eat me. That better hit. No. Oh my gosh. Whoa. How'd I get all this damage all of a sudden? Oh shoot, those torpedoes. I'm probably gonna lose right in front of everyone. It's right in front of everyone. Honestly. I better sink this ship. There, I'm done for. Wow, guys. That is absolutely bonkers. Well, that honestly wasn't bad, but the fact that it's a bootleg Doesn't make me like it as much. Might as well get the real World of Warcraft people, but this game is very similar. And I couldn't even sink that little boat, so, you know, I did just download it, so no hard feelings for me. Well, I'm inside the rocks. Well, you can actually spectate and float around and look at people. You are the death of me, you Spanish ship. I can tell it's Spanish. Look at the thing. Just look at it. Hold on. Spanish flag. Whatever. I don't even speak Espanol that much. Like, Olo. It's that sort of stuff. It's like I'm flying around at 100 miles an hour. Okay. Let's end this nonsense. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great night. That's what it is for me. But if it's daytime, evening, lunchtime, whatever the heck it is, good whatever time it is for you. Alright guys, enough fooling around. See you later.